Making a healthy meal at home doesn't have to be complicated. Today I'm going to share with you my 8 tips to making a healthy and delicious meal in less than 10 minutes. Today we're going to make pasta marinara with steamed broccoli. Tip 1. Plan in advance. Find a few recipes that you might enjoy for the week ahead, make a shopping list, and shop accordingly. Having everything you need on hand when you need them is so important. By doing this, you will set yourself up for success, knowing that you have all the ingredients on hand to make a quick and healthy meal, and will decrease the urge of hitting the drive-thru after work. Tip number 2, stock up on Pantry Staples. This will ensure that no matter what, a quick meal is always within reach. Today we will be using pasta and jarred marinara. And then I'm just gonna use a few ingredients that I have at home to kind of zhuzh it up. Tip number 3, add vegetables. Whatever you've got or like, you could add kale, spinach, zucchini, mushrooms, onions, anything, fresh or frozen. Either mix them into your main dish or serve them on the side. Eating veggies is a key component to health. The fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients prevent disease, slow aging, and will support your metabolism. Run away as fast as you can from anyone who recommends not eating veggies. Tip number 4, choose whole grain. Whole grains contain fiber. Fiber is extremely important for gut health and serves as a food source for our microbiome or gut bacteria. Not eating enough fiber starves healthy bacteria and promotes an unhealthy balance of bacteria that can negatively affect health and weight. On average, American adults only eat 10 to 15 grams of fiber per day, compared to the general recommendation of 25 grams a day for women and 38 grams a day for men. Tip number 5, add healthy fat. I incorporate olive oil into my diet in some way every day. Other sources of healthy fats would be avocado, nuts, seeds, or fatty fish like salmon. Fat is an essential nutrient and part of a healthy, balanced diet. It is also needed to absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. Tip number 6, add protein. Protein helps to keep us feel full and satiated, and of course it's an essential nutrient that we need to eat to survive. I do follow a mostly vegetarian diet, so today I'm choosing the higher protein pasta to get a little bit more protein in this meal. But at this point you could certainly add ground beef or ground turkey or sausage or meat substitute, whatever you prefer. A little later I'm also going to add some cheese, and cheese is also going to up the protein content of this meal. Tip number 7 is adding seasonings. Adding herbs and spices really ups the flavor profile of your meal. Use fresh or dry. Lastly, step number 8, which I think is one of the most important steps on this list, is to make enough for leftovers. Not only am I going to have a wonderful meal to enjoy tonight, but I'll also have something to bring to work with me for lunch tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. I'll be making 10-minute tuna cakes. As always, wishing you health and happiness. Aloha.